What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hey, I'm Shy Vlogs, and this is typically a vlogging channel, but today I'm going to make a kind of a techie video because I get this question all the time of how I make my intros and what I use for my subscribe button and play button and all that jazz. So today I'm going to teach you how to get a cool subscribe button like the big YouTubers do, all from your iPhone. First things first, you'll need the editing app Pocket Video, which is free. Then you'll go to Safari or your internet browser and look up a background that you want for your intro. For this video, I'm going to use purple glitter background. So then you scroll through and look through which backgrounds you like, and then you click on the background that you like. I'm going to choose this one, and I'm going to hold it down. And you hold it down until it says save image. You save the image, and then you go back to Pocket Video. Once you get in Pocket Video, you click create new project or start new project. Click YouTube vlog, and then you hit add, and then you add a photo from your camera roll. Camera roll will pop up. You choose the photo that you just saved. It'll import that photo. Once the photo pops up, you will then press photo sticker, and you will press YouTube, and then you press in that top search bar where the cursor is flickering, you put in green screen subscribe. Then you scroll through and choose which subscribe button you would like for the beginning of your video. Once you find one, I'll choose this one. You go ahead and you see where it says in and out, so you press in where you want it to start and out where you want it to end, if that makes sense. Then you click done in the top right corner. And it'll import that in, and then you can size it to the size and move it where you want it, how you center it, how you like to center it. And then you then you click mask and then click green screen. And once you do that, you go ahead and press play, and bam, that's how it will look. Then after you play it and it's like how you want it to look, you hit finish in the top right corner. It'll ask you to add music. You don't have to add music if you don't want, and you save it to your camera roll, and that is the end of that. Comment down below if you would like to see more techie videos like this. I can teach you how to make an intro in under 5 minutes on your iPhone. I can teach you how to edit on your iPhone to make it look like you're editing on a MacBook. All the tips and tricks that I learned, because for the first 6 months of me having my main channel, I did not have a computer, so I did everything from my iPhone. And speaking of my main channel, if you're not subscribed to my main channel, which is Melanin Monroe, in the description box below, please take the time to click that little subscribe button, as well as subscribe to this channel if you want to see more videos like this and more vlogs from me. But anyways, guys, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you can be notified every single time your girl upload. I will see y'all in my next video. Peace.